Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about how you can end the call using the power button of your device OnePlus 10 Pro. But before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's move toward the topic. If you want to end the incoming call using the power button of your device, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can end the call using the power button of your device OnePlus 10 Pro. Let's watch the video.